Good morning, student. Today I will talk about on the topic the proposal. This article focuses on the proposal summary. It is a one-act play written by the Russian story writer and dramatist Chekhov in 1888-89. The play is about the tendency of rich families to hunt ties with other wealthy families to extend their estates by encouraging marriages that observe economic sense. Ivan Lomov, a wealthy neighbor of Stepan Chubukov, also wealthy, who seeks the hand of Chubukov's 25-year-old daughter, Natalia. All three are argumentative and they argue over petty issues. The proposal is on the verge of losing in the middle of all this quarreling, but economic common sense ensures that the proposal is found in any case, although the quarreling perhaps continues. The curtain rises with Lomo entering his neighbor Chubkov's house in neatly dressed up attire. Chubkov in great curiosity to see him well dressed and asks him the occasion. Lomo reveals that he had come for a desire. Subko assumes that he must have come to ask for money, which he does not want to return. After knowing that Lomo had come to invite Chubulov's daughter Natalia's hand in marriage, Chubko leaves to call Natalia. Lomo is a 35 years old gentleman who suffers from palpitations and gets upset very easily. He thinks it's the right age for him to marry and is happy that he is choosing Natalia. He believes Natalia is average looking and an honest caretaker. On Natalia's arrival, Lomov initiates the conversation about the cordial terms of both the families, while continuing to speak about his land. He somehow mentions auction meadows, which earlier was a disputed property, but is now his. Natalia is in the perception that auction meadows belong to her family. Both enter into a heated discussion and act childishly, and Chubkov's entry made it more heated. They spout and screams while Lomo suffers from extreme palpitation and numb foot. They throw Lomo out of the house and continue abusing him while defaming him. Chubukov accidentally reveals that he had a wedding proposal for Natalia, which surprises Natalia and she suddenly regrets sending him out. She tells her father to bring him back and Chubukov blames himself for being the father of a young daughter. When Lomo returns, Natalia tries to deviate the topic by talking about shooting. Little later, they enter into a debate on the dogs. Natalia strongly believes that her dog Squeezer is better in comparison to Lomov's guess. They continue arguing when Chubukov enters the scene only to form things worse again. Everyone gets hyper and Lomo finally falls because of palpitations. Even then, the cursing continues when suddenly Natalia notices that he is unconscious. As they find him unable to drink water, declare him dead. After a while, Lomo moves a bit. They give him some water to drink and Chubukov forcefully hands over Natalia's hands to him, gives his blessings, and asks them to kiss. After regaining his senses, he expresses his excitement and kisses Natalia's hands. Natalia again keeps convincing him that Squeezer is better than Guess, but Lomo, being adamant, refuses to accept this, and the quarreling continues. The drama displays the greed of rich families to marry their children into other wealthy families with the aim of enhancing their wealth. Students are advised to do first of all NCERT questions as well as summary enter in notebook. Thank you.